Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about our new online training courses. We just launched some courses and we're going to be adding many more in the near future here. So right now these are on Udemy, so you can check them out there, and we'll probably have them on other platforms as well. So our latest one is on Easily Master Windows 11, the Comprehensive Guide. We also have one on Google Forms, and we're also going to be doing some test questions for certifications. We have one on the first A+ exam if you want to check that out. So going back to this Windows 11 course, we'll kind of give you a breakdown of what's involved in this one here. So we have the introduction section, system requirements, how to install Windows, upgrades versus full installation, how to customize all the aspects of Windows 11, how to manage your programs and apps, and this one's very important, file and folder management, because you use this on a daily basis. You might not realize it, but knowing how to manage your files and folders is super essential for being a proficient Windows user. Then we have user accounts, local accounts, Microsoft accounts, managing your accounts. Then we have a whole section on the Edge web browser, and even how to customize it and go through all the settings. And then we have a whole section here on the Windows 11 settings from the Settings app, going through each one in detail, so you know what you could do for all your settings. Then we have a section on extras for things like managing your startup apps, freeing up hard drive space, backing up your computer, using Task Manager, Device Manager. And then we have a What's Next section talking about our book series. And then, of course, the YouTube channel, which you're watching right now. So let's go up to, let's say, this one here. Changing your Microsoft account to a local account, just give you a preview of how the videos look here. You know, they're very similar to the ones you'll see on our YouTube channel, just more detailed. Hi, in this lesson we're going to show you how to change your Microsoft account to a local account for your computer, and that way you don't have to worry about your login being tied to your Microsoft account. You could just have it tied to the computer as a local account, and then you could always switch it back as well if you want to. All right, so we have this user account here, which is Cindy. So if I go to the settings, okay, so you get the idea of how the videos are laid out, kind of like how we have them on the YouTube channel here. So if you want to check out this Windows 11 course, I'll put some links in the description, and then you could check out our other courses, and then you could just keep your eyes open for anything new that will be coming out in the near future. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.